Hello guys, a very warm greetings from my side. Let us start with the current affairs for 15th April. CVA has recently signed an MOU with which company to enhance small-scale LNG application development and provide impetus to gas-based economy in the country. The correct answer for the same is Mitsui. So, CVA has signed an MOU with Mitsui partnership that will enhance small-scale LNG application development and provide impetus to gas-based economy in the country. Indian-based multinational and one of the world's leading cryogenic liquid storage distribution and regas solution provider, CVA today announced that it has signed a memorandum of understanding with leading Japanese conglomerate Mitsui & Co. for partnering by sharing technical and commercial expertise for further establishing a virtual pipeline to service the growing demand of LNG in India. Global brokerage company Nomura has cut India's GDP forecast to how much percent from 13.5% forecast earlier as the country faces a consistent rise in coronavirus cases and higher inflation? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is 12.6%. So Nomura has cut India's financial year 2022 GDP growth estimate to 12.6% from 13.5% amid the second COVID wave. Which bank has launched digital initiative ease under which every transaction undertaken by bank branch will be initiated and authorized by customers themselves? The correct answer for the same is Punjab National Bank. So Punjab National Bank has launched the digital initiative PNB@ease, which every transaction undertaken by a bank branch will be initiated and authorized by customer themselves. The services can range from saving account opening to availing various loans and more without visiting a branch or help from the bank employees. Going forward, it said that the bank will roll out PNB@ease across 165 identified locations across India. Capital markets watchdog SEBI has come out with fresh guidelines on reporting formats for mutual funds. So SEBI has come out with new guidelines on reporting formats for mutual funds. You can see it here. The format for the report to be submitted by asset management companies to trustees, by AMC to SEBI, and by trustees to the regulator have been revised on the basis of consultation from the industry. In a circular, SEBI said that the compliance certificate to be submitted by an AMC to the trustees on bi-monthly basis and half-yearly basis will be discontinued. As per the recent reports, which bank accounts can be opened in post office? The correct answer for the same is basic savings accounts. So now a beneficiary of government welfare scheme can open a basic saving bank account with the post office. Finance Ministry has notified changes in post office saving account scheme 2019. The notification has also reduced the fee for not maintaining the balance in a saving account. As of now, such accounts can be opened in a scheduled commercial bank or Indian post payment bank. Which bank has implemented its first SOFR linked trade transaction? The correct answer for the same is Yes Bank. So Yes Bank has executed its first and it has identified and it has done its first trade borrowing transaction linked to SOFR. It's a identified replacement for USD L Libor, London Interbank Offered Rate. Now it has changed and SOFR is an identified replacement for Libor. Private sector lender bank has executed first secured overnight financing rate transaction. Which country has introduced world's first climate change law for financial sector? The correct answer for the same is New Zealand. So New Zealand has become the world's first country to bring in law forcing its financial firms to report on the effects of climate change. The country wants to be carbon neutral by 2050, says the financial sector needs to play its part. Banks, insurers and fund managers can do this by knowing the environmental effect of their investments, says the climate change minister James Shaw. India has participated in multinational military exercise Shanti Orgoshena 2021. The exercise was held in which country? The correct answer for the same is Bangladesh. So Bangladesh hosted the 10-day multinational military exercise in which troops of 4 countries including India participated. This culminated on Monday at Bagabandhu Sena Ibas, Bangladesh. Armed Forces of India, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Sri Lanka along with observers from US, UK, Turkey and Saudi Arabia among others participated in the multilateral UN mandated counter-terrorism exercise. Bharti Group Low Earth Orbit Satellite Communication Company OneWeb has partnered with the government of which country to accelerate connectivity in the country? Kindly identify. The correct answer for the same is Kazakhstan. So Bharti Group-backed Low Earth Orbit Satellite Communication Company OneWeb has partnered with Kazakhstan government to accelerate connectivity in the country. The company has signed a memorandum of understanding with Kazakhstan government and the local partners. The MOU encompasses several areas of cooperation, including use of OneWeb's low latency, high throughput satellite connectivity platform to provide broadband to remote to hard to reach rural communities, building a ground station to provide connectivity to Central Asian countries, and localization of the supply chain for OneWeb's low Earth orbit satellites. India has approved use of Sputnik 5 COVID-19 vaccine. The vaccine is from which country? The correct answer for the same is Russia. So the Drug Controller General of India approved the restricted emergency use of Sputnik 5 vaccine late on Monday night. With this, India now has 3 vaccines against COVID-19, including Covishield, the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine manufactured by the Serum Institute of India, and Bharat Biotech's co-vaccine. According to a release issued by the Russian Direct Investment Fund, India is the most populated country to register the Russian vaccine. Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog and Embassy of which country have signed a statement of intent for promoting innovation and entrepreneurship among aspiring entrepreneurs in India? The correct answer for the same is Denmark. So Denmark has joined hands through Atal Innovation Mission for global cooperation towards world-class innovative solutions and addressing water challenges and SDGs. Which of the following state had got India's first floating LNG storage and regasification unit? The correct answer for the same is Maharashtra. So India's first floating storage and regasification unit has arrived at H Energy's Jagira terminal in Maharashtra. A statement from H Energy said that FSRU's Hoek Giant, which sailed from Keppel Shipyard, Singapore, was berthed at Jagar terminal in Maharashtra on Monday. This will be the first year-round liquefied natural gas terminal in Maharashtra, the statement added. The LNG terminal is located at JSW Jaigarh port in Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra on the west coast of India. The port is the first deep water 24/7 operational private port in Maharashtra. Who among the following has been appointed as the new NADA DG? Kindly give the correct answer. Correct answer for the same is Siddharth Longjam. So IAS officer Siddharth Singh Longjam will take over as the National Anti-Doping Agency's Director General, succeeding Naveen Agarwal, who listed the creation of athletes' biological passport for around 60 elite Indian sportspersons as one of the highlights of his tenure. Longjam is currently serving as a joint secretary in the sports ministry and also is the CEO of the currently suspended National Dope Testing Laboratory. Who among the following has inaugurated first biannual Indian Air Force Commander Conference 2021 at Air Headquarters Vayu Bhavan, New Delhi? The correct answer for the same is Rajnath Singh. So Rajnath Singh is country's defense minister and he has inaugurated India's first biannual Indian Air Force Commanders Conference 2021 on Thursday at Air Headquarters at Vayu Bhavan in New Delhi. The conference of apex level leadership is aimed at addressing the issues of IAF operational capacities in times to come. Series of discussions were held over a period of 3 days to address strategies and policies related to capacities that will give IAF a significant edge over its adversaries. Various welfare and human resource measures to improve HR and administrative efficiency will also be discussed. Who among the following has inaugurated 6th edition of the prestigious Resina Dialogue? The correct answer for the same is Narendra Modi. So Narendra Modi has said that COVID-19 pandemic has presented an opportunity to reshape the world order and to reorient the thinking. Why he said that? Because Resina Dialogue is a geopolitical meet in which various leaders from various industries and various sectors come and discuss. So he stressed on the need to create systems that address the problems of today and challenges of tomorrow. Who among the following was awarded Sir Richard Hadley Medal? The correct answer for the same is Trent Boult. So New Zealand captain Kane Williamson has been, okay, I guess not Trent Boult, I think it's Kane Williamson. Yeah, it's Kane Williamson. So Kane Williamson has been awarded the Richard Hadley Medal for the 4th time in 6 years, while women's all-rounder Emilia Kerr and rising star Devon Conway claimed top honours at the New Zealand Cricket Awards for 2021. Williamson was given the award on the back of his impressive run in tests in the summer, where he scored a career best 251 against West Indies in Hamilton. Which of the following city is going to host the 22nd Laureus World Sport Award in a virtual ceremony owing to the raging COVID-19 pandemic? The correct answer for the same is Seville. So Seville, the capital of Andalusia, captures the essence of Spanish culture, art and passion. It is striking beauty and fascinating history make it a unique city with 3 World Heritage Sites. So the winners of the 22nd Laureus World Sport Award, the most prestigious honors in the sports, are to be announced in Seville on May 6th. Who among the following has won the ICC Player of the Month award for superb show in India-England ODI and T20 series? The correct answer for the same is Bhuvnesh Kumar. Experienced Indian swimmer Bhuvnesh Kumar on Tuesday won the ICC Player of the Month award for his superlative show in the recently limited over series against England in March. The 31-year-old Indian took 6 wickets with an economy rate of 4.65 in 3 ODIs, while capturing 4 wickets with a fantastic economy rate of 6.38 in 5 T20s to emerge as a standout bowler on either side in the white ball series. The 2021 World Chagas Disease Day was observed on which date? The correct answer for the same is April 14th. So World Chagas Disease Day, the World Health Organization has called for comprehensive and equitable access to healthcare and services to everyone affected by Chagas disease. An estimated 6 to 7 million people worldwide are affected by the Trypanosoma cruzi, the parasite that causes the disease. So you can see it here. The 2021 International Turbine Day was observed on which day? The correct answer for the same is April 13th. So International Turbine Day is celebrated every year on April 13th since 2004 to bring awareness about the strict requirement of the Sikhs to put up the turban as a mandatory part of their religion. 2021 Turban Day marks the 52nd birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev and festival of Baisakhi. The turban, also known as dastar or pagdi or pug, refers to the garment worn by both men and some women to cover their heads. Thank you for watching. This is Rohit Sharma. I'll meet you with all the current affairs of the past 7 days in English format tomorrow morning. Thank you very much. Tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening. Thank you very much.